G'day everyone, welcome to this video and welcome to this 2024 Raptor that we installed these LED lights into the grille. They just look amazing. They look so factory, they fit perfectly. You almost wouldn't even know that they are aftermarket. So this video is just showing off the lights to you and also how we installed these lights. We had them installed to the Factory Aux switch number 1, and this means that the lights can be turned on and off at will, very stealthy. And hopefully this video helps anyone else in the future looking to install similar lights or other accessories. This video will show you guys exactly where the factory wiring is located, what they're rated to in terms of amps. And without further ado, as always, we'd like to welcome anyone new to this channel and welcome back to anyone that's been an ongoing viewer. So this car here, we found the lights on eBay. There were white versions. This was the amber versions that our customer wanted installed into their Raptor here. And it cost about 120 Australian dollars at the time of making of this video. Okay, to start familiarizing you all with the Aux wiring locations, Ford have conveniently given us this little description of where you can find these wire locations in the car. So there's one at the back and 2 areas at the front under the engine bay. Here we can see Ford have given us more information about the Aux wiring. So the Aux switch 1, violet-green wire color, it's rated to 5 amps. And the Aux switch 2, it's a blue-orange wire, and it's rated to 15 amps. So both of these are switched with the ignition, and you'll be able to find these located next to the battery and behind this fuse box here, taped up and ready to go. So unsheathing a little bit, we can see the wire colors here. And this is where we tapped in for the front grille lights. Just to show anyone that's interested, a bit further up, this is the location for the Aux switch 6, which is rated higher for driving lights and LED light bars, things like that. But that's it, guys. Very easy to find and access these wire locations for your accessories. And again, absolutely handy that Ford have given us this information. Certainly makes adding accessories and features to our cars much more convenient. So thank you, Ford. We'll now briefly take you guys through what we did for the actual wiring. So for the LED lights, we took that wiring that we tapped in from the purple-green wire here, connected the wire from this point as the positive feed, brought it along through the radiator support area, and then made a bit of a T-junction. So from here, there was a feed of positive wire going to each of the LED locations, and then a negative going to each bolt point behind each of the LED locations. And that's about it, guys. So other than drilling one hole in each of these little recessed areas of the grille to pass the LED wiring through, there's just a couple clips and that top cowl that just come off the top of the radiator support area to give access to all of this wiring. That's it, guys. So other than that, you want to make sure that you tape everything away, run split tubing to protect all your wiring, cable tie everything out the way. And without very much hassle at all, you'll have your upgrades or accessories added to your Raptor in no time at all. So in this case, we'll be able to see Aux switch 1 illuminates when the lights have been illuminated and then goes back to blue when they're switched off. So a very stealthy and very, very factory way of turning these lights on and off. Again, they look just about factory. They look really well flush inside those little concavity areas of the grille, and at night they really pop. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. So a massive shout out to our client that let us use their vehicle here for this video. It's certainly going to help a lot of people out going forward. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comments. It's always great to see these videos helping you all out. Thank you again to everyone that's watched this video, and I would like to thank you all if you can consider to support me with a like or a follow on the social media for both my small business and Ford Merc Guy. So thank you again, everyone, and we'll see you at the next video. Have a great one.